4 length the whole thing.
That's what I got for the TJ now. Yeah. Like shaved off as much as you can with 5/13.
I shaved off like the whole lip. It took like an inch off, but it didn't even actually cut the bottom bolt off. So you actually got a bubble plate in.
Yeah, no, that's what mine has. It's like it's got a thing welded across there, and then two like Allen type things that are in
TMR kit or somebody.
I don't know where it come from. I bought it. I bought that laser. It was on there. Oh, hug this tree.
Yeah, up here on your left.
Yeah.
Oh, I used to hug the right when I was here last too. We did it. Still got one.
Yeah, I think. I got fucked up.
Hey, go way back. Yeah, do one more back into the driver. Or half the start.
Got all fucked up.
We always hug there. Then you get through here and get over there. There you go, now driving.
Come up.
Yeah.
Just stay on this part of that rock right next to that.
Keep it driver, keep it driver.
Hold on, let me. I can't steer.
I know.
That's all I got. Hold on, let me try something here. Try something here. Nope. I'm gonna front dig it and turn, but
I think you
can get it to back up a
You'll back up, turn in driver.
We can snap one off at the same time, don't we? Yeah. I think you can get it to turn driver. Turn driver?
Well, now
You got too much weight on
yeah,
it.
now go forward and turn passenger. Back up a touch, Luke.
I'm gonna put a rock right here to get you
No,
out
hey,
there.
hold on one second. Hold on one second. I'm gonna grab these.
Just that one little kid right here. Kind of pointed the right direction. If you
Going
back,
good.
if
Now
you
back
backed
up a
off of
touch.
it,
Now
you just
go
need
to
your,
the front.
you need that back tire to follow where your front went, but
Right there's good.
this is all great. Almost.
Once you get past
Lower
this little
side
hump,
here.
once you get past this hump right here, you'll come straight up it.
Here, brake. You want to throw that where you
Okay, go ahead.
Ready? If there's one over here too. I can come down.
You went on that side, you think?
Here, I think, yeah, if I can get this ass end to climb onto this rock and think of shining right there. Couple right there. Hold on, Luke. Watch out, Rick.
Not a lot of, oh, there's a lot of big rock. Hard to get.